and I told the definition of divisions also. Okay, and I told the definitions of division also. So I told one definition of division. Can you tell me what is the definition of division exactly? Please respond through the chat box. Yes, Sakshi said the division means to divide the things. To divide the things, but how? To divide the things equally. Absolutely, Sakshi. Very nice. Division means to divide the things equally. Okay. To distribute the things equally. That is the division. To share the things equally. That is the division. Okay. See, we can define division this way. Definition हम किस तरह से निकाल सकते हैं? Divide the things equally. That is called division. Or else, very nice, Prapti has responded nicely. Prapti said that repeated subtraction of the same number. Isn't it? So division is the repeated subtraction of the same number. Absolutely right. Divide the things equally, share the things equally, distribute the things equally. That is the division. Okay. In short, division means what? Division means divide, distribute करना. Okay. Division means what? Divide करना. एक चीज को सपोज वहां पे 10 रुपए है, 10 रुपए को अगर हमें 5 लोगों में डिवाइड करना है, if you want to share 10 rupees in between 5 people equally, okay, that is the division. So we have to give 2 rupees to every person. Okay, so absolutely right, children. So these are the things we have learned in the last lectures. Okay, now we are proceeding further. So let's proceed further, children. Okay, so I had given an example of marbles, right? So after marbles, I gave an example that there are 6 marbles, right? 6 marbles. If you want to distribute it among the 3 children, 6 marbles are there. You have to distribute it among the 3 children. How will you do it? You have to divide the 6 marbles into the 3 children. So that means you have to divide 6 by 3. You have to divide 6 by 3. So then after dividing 6 by 3, then you will be getting answer 2. So you will be dividing 2 marbles equally among the 3 children. Yes. Then I gave an example of bananas. See, bananas, same bananas are there. Okay. Now, if you count the bananas, it is half dozen bananas, right? It is half dozen bananas. So if you divide this half dozen bananas, that means half dozen means how many? That is 6 bananas. Okay. And 1 dozen means how many? That is 12. 1 dozen means what? 12 things. And half dozen means what? That is 6 things. So these are the half dozen bananas in front of you. And if you divide these bananas among the 6 people, okay, if you divide equally, if you divide all these bananas among the 6 people, then how many will be getting everyone? 6 bananas? 6 people. And you have to share it, you have to divide it equally. Okay, so you have to share it, you have to divide it equally. So how you'll be dividing it? Let me answer. Let me check the answers. Okay, so 6 bananas, 6 people, we have to share it equally. How many bananas will get to every people? Okay, 1 banana. Absolutely right, children. So आपने यहाँ पे क्या किया? You divided 6 bananas among the 6 people equally. That means you distributed one banana to everyone. Right? That's correct, children. Absolutely right. Now pay attention towards the main screen. Nobody will be responding to the chat box. Whenever I'll be asking you, that time you will be responding it. Okay? Yes, now see on the main screen. So we have to here divide 6 by 6 because 6 bananas among the 6 people. So we have to divide here 6 by 6. After dividing 6 by 6, we'll be getting answer 1. Okay, now is the division sign whichever you have shown. If you all have understood what is the repeated subtraction of division, then please type Z in the chat box. Z in the chat box, children. Okay, that's very nice. Good. Thank you so much. Now we'll be watching a video, children, which is completely based on the division concepts. So it's a request to all of you. Please watch that video very carefully. Listen it very carefully. Watch it very carefully. Your entire attention should be towards the video. It's a humble request to please be attentive here. Now, nobody will be responding to the chat box. Nobody will be responding to the chat box. Your entire attention should be on the main screen. Your entire attention should be on the main screen. Yes, thank you so much. Once again, it's a humble request to all of you. Please pay attention towards the video properly. Listen and watch it very carefully. Okay, so I told that it is the repeated subtraction. Division means what? It's a repeated subtraction. So the way we learn addition, the way we learn subtraction, the way we learn multiplication, they have, each one have the separate sign, right? So if you observe here, this is the division sign. Okay, I'll be zooming it so that you can understand. See children, this is the subtraction sign. This is, okay, this is, we can say this way. Okay, so this is the division sign. This is addition sign, subtraction sign, then this is multiplication sign, right? The same way there is a division sign. So while reading the sum, we have to read it this way, that is 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. See, we solved this sum first here. I told you that if we distribute 20 rupees among the 5 people, then how many will get each person? Then how many will get each person? So we repeated subtracted here. We repeatedly subtracted 5 again and again, right? First 5 from the 20, then 5 from 15, then 5 from 10, then 5 from 5, until we get answer 0, right? So this is the one way to get the answer of division, right? This is the one way. You, by subtracting number again and again, you can get the answer of division. But if the numbers are bigger there, that time it gets confused, or it takes more time to solve the sums. So that's why we have a short method to solve the such kinds of division sums. Okay, so 20 among the 20 rupees among the 5, how will be writing this in division problem? We'll be writing this in a division problem this way: 20 divided by 5. So after solving 20 divided by 5, we'll be getting answer 4. That means 20 rupees. If we divide 20 rupees among the 5 people, each person will get 4 rupees. Each one will get 4 rupees. So we write this statement in the division problem this way. It is 20 divided by 5. 20 rupees divided by 5 people. 20 rupees divided by 5 people, or 20 rupees divided in 5 people. We can say this way also. Okay, so 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So we'll be writing this sum, or we'll be solving this division sum in another way also. This one way I told you, that this, by solving this way, by subtracting number repeatedly or by subtracting number again and again, we'll be getting answer of division. But there is